I've been wanting to learn how to make some yogurt. We're going to pretend that that's a tub of yogurt because I don't have a tub of yogurt. This is all I got. So pretend. Same size, same store. Problem is, all the videos online that you see, it's like an online video or an online recipe. It's 25 minutes of exposition of their life story. And, you know, if you're a vlogger and they're there to see you and not necessarily what you're doing, that's cool and all. I like you well enough. That's you, the vlogger people. You're okay too. But I just want to make some yogurt. So this is going to be a really, really fast video on how to make yogurt using my InstantPot. Now the problem is, this guy right here, $4.50. Not this guy right here. This is cheaper than that, but pretend that says Greek yogurt. $4.50. I go through one of those, two of those, three of those a week. That gets expensive. So, $1.80 worth of marked down 2% milk, which got the wrong stuff, but that's okay. This is fine. This is fine. Clean starting vessel, because, well, it doesn't really matter because what we're about to do with it, but I want to make sure there's no pet hair or anything like that in it. Dirt, dander, dust, whatever. We're just get out of here. Just gonna throw this in here. You don't have to make a gallon at a time. I make a gallon at a time. The stuff keeps a long, long time. Oops, made a mess. Out of here. Doesn't have to be an InstantPot brand, but what you want to do is come down here to where it says Yorgit. Push that button. Then you're going to come to your temp and your pressure. You're going to hit that until it says boil. And go. Then we're going to cover it, just to cover it. And we're going to let that roll until it beeps and tells me it's done. Can't tell you how long that's going to take because I'm always doing other stuff while it's doing. You can ignore it. You walk back in the house, come back from wherever, and it says done or off or count, whatever it says when it's done, you're done. And we'll go from there. We'll be back. Alright, I don't know how much time that was. I was outside doing some stuff. So this thing beeped. I don't know how long ago it beeped, but it beeped. Still really hot. It needs to cool off to less than 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in centigrade. Maybe I'll put it up here if I think about it, but you're smart enough to figure it out. It needs to cool off. And it can take 3 or 4 hours in here, but I don't feel like waiting, so you could do that if you want to. I'm not. I'm going to set this vessel down into a sink of very cold water. And it'll sit in there for 30 minutes and it should be cold enough. We'll go from there. Alright, it's cold. Now we're going to add our inoculant. This is a stand-in, remember? I'm not actually using this. We're actually going to use some Greek yogurt that I made a couple weeks ago. This stuff keeps in the fridge for a long time. And we only need about that much per half gallon. So that should do it. I'm going to stir that in. That inoculates our mix. Now we're going to hit our Yorgit button. We're going to hit the temp button until it goes to our timer. And we're going to set that. I'm going to set mine for 25 hours because that's where I want it to be. Tell it to go and put a lid on it, and we'll see you tomorrow, an hour from now. Be back then. Alright, it beeped. Let's take a look. It's been 25 hours, and this is what she looks like. It's not going to be like exactly what you get in the store, but who cares? This is a gallon and a bit of full-fat yogurt. Scoop some up. That's how I like to have mine. Some cereal on top, fresh fruit, granola, whatever your poison is. It's fresh out of the pot, so it's a little warm. Very weird warm. Firm up a lot when it's cooled. So now I'm going to take that, dump it in a bowl that'll hold a gallon, and that's my snack. Want something like now, food for a month. That'll keep in the fridge for 3 weeks, a month. It's basically alive, so it keeps for a good long time. It keeps on chewing on itself. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.